Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a new unit. Well, it's not super duper new, but it is sort of new from Sensational's What Lace collection. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the unit that I have for you guys today is from Elevate Styles. This isn't sponsored. I did buy this. I just wanted to try it out for you guys, so I went ahead and purchased this bad boy with my own coins. Okay, yeah. I know people think like I probably don't ever buy wigs anymore, but I definitely do buy wigs. Like, us YouTubers still are wig obsessed, and we still do buy wigs, even though a lot of them do get sponsored. So this is it. This one is in champagne. I wouldn't necessarily call this champagne. I would call this like a ash blonde or a gray blonde, because it is very dull. This is a very dull blonde. It's very close to like a 613, but like a little less brassy. So yeah, this wig is Tyrina, and this is in Money Piece Champagne. Like I said, this is a What Lace wig. Again, the What Lace wigs tend to have a very, very light colored hairline, which is, excuse me, not hairline, a very light colored lace. So the lace always has to be tinted for my skin tone, and then you can usually still see like the edge of it. You have to really work hard to get rid of that lace color. So of course you have your frontal area, your 2 combs on the side, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. I always just hook the straps together. So yeah, let's go ahead and give this one a try on. I'm gonna put this baby on. Of course, you have your you know, your natural hairline, and then you have your natural density in the frontal area. So if you like this unit that I'm rocking right now, this is also a new unit that is out. This one's by Janet Collection, and you can definitely go back to my previous video if you want to check out this one. So I'm going to actually add some of my lace tint spray. And what I typically do for my lace tint spray is I start with the lighter shade first. So I spray the lighter shade first. And this is the Ebin aerosol can in light warm brown. Then I go back and I spray the darker shade, which is medium brown. And I kind of just concentrate that right on the edge. And what you're gonna need to do is, I usually just grab a stocking cap that I have laying around, put it on my hand, turn the wig inside out, and whatever was sprayed, whatever hair was sprayed with the spray, I just quickly rub that spray off of the actual hairline, because it will turn the hair a little bit brown. And then when you start laying your baby hairs will already be brown. So this lace is like rolling back a little bit. So I'm gonna just pull the hairs out so it'll stop rolling. So as far as the lace color, it seems to be blending okay. I think I'm fine with the way it's blending for right now. I'll pull a couple hairs down. And then I'm also going to cut the sides, ear tab right here. The spray. So I'll grab a little bit of Got To Be and just do it on like the ear tabs maybe. Just put like a little bit over here. And it's not gonna lay down just yet. It'll lay down when I put the baby hair scarf on. It'll lay down. because it'll start to get sticky. Maybe I'll put just a little bit across the hairline too. But really, I'm just gonna rely on the hairspray. And I'm putting it on top because it will go through the lace. The lace is very thin. It'll go through the lace once you tie it down. So, do a little bit more spray. Grab your baby hair scarf. These baby hair scarves, I do make these. So if you want to get yourself one, I would definitely recommend them. They're great because they go around your head 2 times. And they're very narrow, so you can still like do any styling, whatever styling you want to do. You can still do that while your baby hairs are laying down. So yeah, I'm gonna just let that dry for a little bit. You can even blow dry it a little bit if you want to. Okay, so I really didn't leave that on there that long, but it doesn't really matter because I'm still gonna use the edge control to hold this down. But that definitely held it down enough for what I'm trying to do right now. So now I'm just going to trim away these extra long hairs.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No. So I choke you down just like a pill.
I don't think it's shedding. I honestly think that is the hair that I cut away. Could be shedding, but I don't think it is. So this wig is laying really nice and really flat for me right now. So I'm super happy about that. I think I'm gonna do a middle part with this baby. Okay, so now to mold the part, you're definitely you definitely can use some mousse. But honestly, this wig is laying like crazy flat. So the mousse is really not necessary because this wig is laying crazy flat. It's more out of habit I'm doing it. Anytime I mold my hair, I always use a bristle brush to make it go where I want it to go. But like I said, this wig is really laying nice and flat. So the only other thing to think about is the cut. The cut is looking a little bit like it's angled, but it looks a little thin right here in the front. So I'm just gonna trim that right here in the front where it's looking a little thin. I'm literally just gonna snip that end piece off so it just looks a little more full right there for me. And that's literally all I need to do in terms of the cut. And I'm gonna take this off and I think we're literally good to go. So of course with the What Lace collection, you're gonna struggle with making it match your skin tone. So I feel like the very last step for this one is for me to use my bronzing powder, what I use to contour, and then it will be absolutely perfect. I like this behind my ear. I definitely like this behind my ear. I don't know why they call this color blonde. This color to me is gray. So I don't know about you guys, but maybe you guys call this blonde, but I will call this gray.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
And I'm just gonna add this everywhere where you can see skin. A little bit more of a blend. And it looks like where I have my baby hair scarf, I didn't get my part all the way. So I'm gonna just take this last piece and put it on this side. I like this wig, you guys. I don't have any complaints on this wig. Obviously the hairline, I mean the lace color is gonna be something you're gonna have to work with, but I feel like all the what lace wigs are kind of like that. So you kind of just have to work around that lace color if you're a brown skin baby like me. And I'm getting more tan as the summer continues on. So that's just something to think about. So this unit is really cute. I like Tyrina. Maybe it's called Tyrina or Try-EENA. I'm not sure. But it's super cute. I like her behind the ear. Let's see what she looks like in front of the ear. I just like to wear my hair in the middle part anyway. It's not just wigs. I like to wear my own hair in the middle part. Or flipped over with no part. So this is her not behind the ear. Very cute. I love the cut. When I looked at her on the stock car, I felt like she was thin, but she doesn't feel thin to me. She feels like she's a nice density, like a natural density. The texture is nice. She's a little shiny, but not too crazy. Not too crazy. I definitely feel good about wearing her outside because I'm about to go to the post office to ship off y'all's wigs. I'm about to go to the post office to ship y'all your wigs. Again, I did get her from Elevate Styles. The customer service on Elevate Styles is just superb. Like, I absolutely love them. I've been working with Elevate Styles for, I don't know, countless years now, at least 4 years. Like I said, I purchased this wig. I'm a customer, I'm an affiliate with them, and I'm one of their reviewers, but you know, I purchased this wig. But even still, their customer service is sublime. I love them, so definitely check them out. I'll leave a link down below if you want to grab this unit. And let me know what you guys think about this unit. Have you tried Try-EENA, or are you looking to grab her? I think she's super cute. Let me know what y'all think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.